Okay, let's start with first one, defining routes. So let's see some definition. So in Next.js, they use a file system based router where folders are used to define routes. So like if we create a folder inside the project, and it's gonna be a route. So each folder presents a route segment, and then that map to URL segment. As you can see from example here, so if we are on project app here, and we have a folder called dashboard and a folder called setting, it means we have a setting which is a subfolder of dashboard, and we have like a segment, dashboard segment, and we have a setting under dashboard. So if you do dashboard/setting, and you are able to visit setting page, and if you just do dashboard, and you are able to see dashboard page. Okay, let me just show you on my demo code. Okay, on this demo here, I have a root folder, root URL. We have a like page, hello page here. As you can see, the contents here, and we have a dashboard here. And if we go to dashboard, as you can see, we can see the dashboard page. So basically, that dashboard that map to the dashboard folder here, and it shows content dashboard page. And if we go settings, and you were able to see the content in the setting. You can see setting page. If we just remove that, and you can see. So the URL segment that map to the folder under our project, under the folder called app. Okay, let's move on. That's the define routes, and let's move on to pages. So the pages is a UI that is unique to route. Okay, like if we see on the code, we have a pages under the folder, and like we have a page file under setting and the page file under dashboard. The page file that actually is UI. So whatever you have on the URL, you're gonna see the UI here. Like we have a dashboard page. Let's say just change like ABC, and when we save it, you can see the UI got updated. That applied to the settings as well. So let's go to settings. Oh no. So you'll see there's like that basically the UI that map to folder, and it shows the UI shows the UI on page file. Okay, that is we have then define routes and the page